After working through a module, you will need to pass a post-test to demonstrate that you have mastered the content that was covered in those assignments. You will know that you are ready for a post-test once you have completed all the homework and progress checks for a module, have had your guided notebook graded by an instructor or facilitator, and preferably have attempted the practice test at least once. The practice test is optional, but it is a good idea to practice before trying the real test. It will help prepare you by giving you an idea of the types of problems you can expect to see on the post-test and let you know what you may or may not still need to review. One concern that people have when they go into taking a test is that fear of not passing. One nice thing about this program is that you have an unlimited number of attempts to pass a post-test. We only give you 2 attempts at first, but if you are unable to pass in those first 2 attempts, you can talk with an instructor or facilitator to get some more attempts opened up. You can review your test after any attempt with an instructor or facilitator, and we can talk to you about the problems that you missed, give you some tips on how to avoid those problems in the future, and help you be more successful on your next attempt. You can review on your own as well before retaking the test again. There is an optional homework assignment link immediately below the post-test link. It will have marked in blue similar problems to those you missed, so you can practice them. The approach to our program is all about mastery. We want to make sure you have mastered this content and that you are ready to move on to more advanced concepts. For that reason, there is no partial credit on these tests. We won't be giving points for being mostly correct. You will need to have a problem completed from beginning to end correctly and arrive at the correct answer in order to receive credit. Once you have mastered the concepts you are currently working on, you will do better when you need those types of steps for more complicated problems in the future.